Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are all okay. I am Mofiz. Today I will describe with you how was my yesterday. This is day 29 and since 29 days we are practicing continuously and I hope I will do this work continuously and 365 it is my intention. So stay with me and try to explore my life, how I am learning English language and how also you can do it. When you will do practice regularly, so automatically you will find a good result and you will see the good benefit. So on yesterday morning, I get up little bit lately, but I have completed my morning prayer around 6 of 10. It was after sunrise, and I have completed my namaz as a qaza. And then I was reading the Holy Quran. The Holy Quran is the number one book of world. It is pure. There is no doubt. As being a Muslim and as being a human, we should recite the Holy Quran. We should understand the meaning of Quran. We should focus on the line by line of Quran. Then we will understand. Then we will know actually what is the message of Quran. And I was reciting around 2 hours. After that, I went outside and I was looking what should I took as a breakfast. Last night, my mom gave me milk, so I thought, should I drink milk or tea? So I was making tea, and I made tea and I drank with a murmura and puffed rice. And after that, I thought today is a Saturday and it is the daily market day and we have a crowd in our shop. For this reason, I should go there and I should help my father and my brothers. So, and I asked my father, "Okay, what should I do? Should I go now or can I go later?" My father told me, "You can come so early." So by through the Toto rickshaw, I went there and I paid him 20 rupees. And I was working there working there. So there are lots of customer always coming and they are also buying for us grocery products. And someone also was paying us and someone also taking goods from us as a credit. As how time was one around 1 o'clock, then I went masjid and I performed the namaz. And when I come back from masjid, then I saw lots of customer also still now, and I was also giving them their product, and I was giving them product, and also I was taking from their money as well as they are also very good. Sometime I was giving different kind of things and different kind of people, they are need different kind of things. And around 2:45 I took my lunch, because every single day I try to take my lunch after namaz zuhr, but yesterday I take my lunch as at 2:45 because due to customers, because when customers are at my shop, so that time I could not have a time for eating lunch. So for this reason I was waiting when I will have a free time, so that time I will take my lunch. So when I saw now little bit space and no much more customers, so we are taking food one by one. First, my small brothers and my father, they took food. After that, after a time, I also took my lunch, and then I was waiting for my brother, and he also take. lunch after a time. So as how we are working at my shop and time was around 5 o'clock. Then I went masjid and I have completed namaz maghrib. And before maghrib, I also went market and outside there people also sells lots of things, onion, garlic, potato, and lot of things. Because in market day you will find lots of things. So from there, I bought 1 kg ginger. The price of ginger was 55 rupees per kg. Then and after Maghrib, same. There was also lots of customer because we have a big program in our local area. And people, this program will be continue for 5 days. For this reason, people are buying products for establishing a shop this place. For this reason, someone also taking grocery foods as like rice, oil, mustard oil, pulse, and lot of things there. Someone also taking some ingredients things as like shiko, kepi, and someone also buying from us tea leaf, teacup, amul as like. Lots of things we also sold yesterday and time was around 11 o'clock. And around 11 o'clock, I reached my home. Then I fresh up and washed my hand and feet. Then my mom served food. And around 11 20 we have 11:20 p.m. we have completed our dinner. Then I came back my bed and I was trying to sleep. Around 12 o'clock, I left my mobile and am I sleep. So it was my yesterday as well as I was describing my yesterday. Sometime maybe I was perfect, sometime I was not perfectly convey my thoughts in words. But I was trying, so I can understand and you can support me, you can help me. This video will give you an idea how you can practice every single day and how you can fulfill your wish to become a fluent English speaker. So you can do practice as like me and even you also can speak English as like me. So for today, that is enough. Please comment, like, share our video. Don't forget. I hope you will do it. Thank you for watching my video.